Alright, so that's still in there. Right here. So we gotta still get it out. I'll get this one out and then we'll get to work. What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, Smallborn Two Wheels. If it's the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So I've had this footage about me trying to fix the, the exhaust bolt, or the stud. I've had it there for a while and I've looked at it, but there's some issues with the audio, so just bear with me. And it has been there for a while, so like some of the stuff, I mean, you guys have probably seen it fixed before already, but just I wanted to make sure that I put this out there just because I kind of left it as a cliffhanger. Some of the people that follow me on social media may actually know what happened, but for everybody that hadn't, I just wanted to go ahead and put this out there for you guys to see it. But without further ado, here is that old footage. So this is what we're trying to retrieve. It broke about right here, so I guess this from here out is what we're trying to retrieve. Let's see how it goes. And what the guys were saying online, got some ice and a new torch, some map torch. They said that should be hot enough. So what I'm gonna do is use the map torch to heat, the head all the way through, and then once I'm ready to go and it's red and hot, I'll put the ice on the screw itself. So pretty much what it's doing is expanding the head and then contracting the bolt, and then I'll get the vice grips and take care of that. Hopefully it works. We're getting a new recruit here. We got the impact, and we also have this bolt extractor. So we'll heat it up, hit it with the impact, and hope it works.
20 minutes later.
This part is too big for it. The bolt itself is stripped.
Later.
So what I end up doing is I cut a hole with my Dremel on there just for this screwdriver tip, and just hit it with this, see if that works. Nope, it just sheared it off. Cool. Alright.
1 hour later.
Alright, so I ended up doing something super sketchy. I just drilled a hole and re-tapped it. I put this back on. I have this little gasket just to see if it works. And the way it's set up, it works pretty well. So I'll just install the exhaust the way it is now and see what that does.
1 eternity later.
And I don't have a bolt that's the right size, so I'm just gonna be using a bunch of spacers for now.
Tomorrow.
Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but to get a rigging of that bolt right there has worked. So far at least. Hell yeah. I know you guys have seen some of my videos have been out of order, so like I've had that part kind of fixed already, but it seems that when I rethreaded the actual hole, it didn't actually take very well. I'm not sure if it's because of the soft aluminum or what the deal is, but I may have to redo that, maybe get a bigger bolt, like retap it better. But other than that, the actual, I guess, bracket to the exhaust also broke. I think that was on the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. So it's been a while, and I mean, you guys have seen all of it. This footage has been kind of like just waiting there, just because I didn't really feel like it was the best of footage, but it's there now. You guys can figure out whether or not I did the right thing, and you guys can let me know if I should have done something different. But hopefully by the time this video airs, and I guess all the whole Christmas time has gone by, maybe I have that fixed, the whole issue with the exhaust. Maybe I'll be able to get some actual new footage, just because I know everybody that's followed me so far, like, it's probably seen that some of the footage that I've put out in the past, what, like 2 months to maybe 2.5 months, has been a little old. It was a lot of stuff that I had in my backlog that I wanted to edit, but I didn't have time, and there's been some, like, I guess, work related stuff that I've had to deal with. So like, I just decided that the best way to do it was just edit all that stuff out, put it out there, get it done, and hopefully be able to pick up with new content in the new year. But let me know what you guys think about how I tackled this issue that I've had. Let me know what I could have done better, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, let me know. You can give it a thumbs down, but I just ask that you give me good pointers, because I'm actually wanting to learn. Because if something like this happens to somebody else, I want them to be able to see what could be done to fix them. But with that being said, guys, if you like my content, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to make sure that you don't miss anything that I post, including Tag Thursdays, Random Tuesdays, and any of the reviews that I may post in the future. Hit that bell so you're notified every single time that I upload something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spaz out. Later. Man, why does it have to get dark so early now? It's like 6 p.m. Oh well.